Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's Steve here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to place your order directly on 1688. So, like usual, I will implore you to pay close attention and watch each and every step I'm going to take on this video. So, this is just my 1688 application home page. And on this page, what I want to do first of all is to locate my cart, my shopping cart, where the goods that I want to order are already there. So I already have a video on this channel where I teach about how to add and remove product from carts. So you're going to look up here. I will attach that video, or check this video description. I'm going to add the link there, so that if you are just coming new, you are going to learn how to add and remove product from your cart before you'll be able to get to this stage. So there are basically two means of getting to my shopping cart. So first of all, I can click on any product here, and then when the product opens up like this, I will go to this product page, and then you can see up here there's a cart icon here. If I click on it, I'm going to locate my cart, and then all the goods I've added to cart will be there, and then I can easily check mark any of them to place the order or complete the order. So the second method, which you are actually going to locate the goods you have added to cart, is by clicking on this cart icon down the page here. So when you click on that cart icon, it's going to take you to this page, and then you're going to see all the product that you've already added to your shopping cart. So from there, you're going to check mark all of them. Let's say I want to order all these ones. So I'm going to check mark all of them like this, and you may like to pay attention, because once the product you are check marking, or you are marking to complete the order, once they get to 12, the 13th order will give you a notification, an error notification that you cannot check more than 12 orders. So that means it's from 12 and below. So you will check all of them. But for the sake of this tutorial and to save time, I just want to order one of these, complete one of the product here, and then proceed with the order so that you guys can see the process. So after marking those products, you are now going to click on this icon down the page, which means proceed. So you will now allow the page to load. And then it's going to take you to this place. Now, this is another place where you need to pay very close attention. These are the shipping companies that I have on my account, and then I'm going to select one of them. And this particular order, I want it to be shipped on C. So I already have C shipping contact here, and then I'm going to click on it. Some of the shipping address there, they're actually for my Ghanaian clients that I used to import for them, while some are for Nigerians, both A and C. So I'm just picking this one. I want the product to come to one of my clients in Nigeria here, and then I'm going to go ahead and input the address. So there is a place where it says leave a message. So this section here, it means leave a message. So if you translate it, you're going to see it as leave a message. So whenever you are placing order, pay attention. Now, if you are placing like 12 orders or 5 orders or whatever the number of orders you are placing, you are going to have this section on all the orders. If the orders are 10, you're going to have leave a message section on all the 10 orders. So this is the section where you give your name and phone number to be written on all the parcels, so that when the goods get to the warehouse, they will not lost. They can easily identify them that you are the one that placed these orders. After the price of that goods, the shipping price, then one line, then the next line is the leave a message section, and if you tap on it, it is going to allow you, your keyboard is going to come out, and then it will allow you to paste a message or type a message. So you're going to say, so I'm going to make use of my Microsoft Swift keyboard. I already have a video on this channel that shows how to download and install Microsoft Swift keyboard for communicating with Chinese. This same software, you're going to use it for dropping your message on this order. So if you want to know about the video too, or you want to learn it, or you haven't come across it on this channel, I'm going to attach it on the description too, on how you are going to get this translation software to set up on your keyboard to be able to do everything on this page on the go. So I'm going to say write this, or let me just put it official. I will say please write this name and phone number on the parcels. I will just say package. What you may want to do when using Microsoft Swift keyboard is to type all your text in full term. Don't use shortcut. If you use shortcut, Microsoft Swift keyboard is going to exchange it in a wrong way. So when you use a correct and full English without shortcut, it will just translate it to Chinese exactly on the platform. So I'm going to close the Microsoft Swift key. Then I will return here, and then you can see the message has been added already. So I will now put a semicolon, and then I will type in the message, the name which I want to appear on the package, and the name is this. And then I will give a space, and then I will paste the number. So if you are typing, you can just type the phone number there. And then I will add the country code on the phone number, that is all. So that particular name I've given here will be written on that package. So I will now click this button to proceed. Now this message is popping up to bring some promotions, and I don't want to waste time on any of this. So I'm going to click here to close this page. I will still click here again to close it, and then it will take me to the page where I'm to pay for this order. So I'm going to click down here to proceed with the order after it finished loading there. So from here, I'm going to select my Alipay because that is a means of payment which I'm having on this account. And then I will click down here to proceed. And then here, I will see click to pay, and then I will input my payment password, which is my Alipay payment password. And boom, the order will be confirmed. Now, funny enough, I can read beginner's mind now. They'll be asking, how will I get access to the orders? You are going to check the description of this video. I'm going to attach a video on how to track your orders, where you are going to get access to all the orders that you have placed recently. If you're watching this video to this extent, that means you have gotten value from this channel. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime I drop a new video, you're going to get notified. We drop video every 1 to 2 days. Okay, signing out today, guys.